Had a bit of a restless sleep last night, but we made it this morning to the shipping yard where the bike was stored. Knowing that another bike fell on it, I didn't really know if there was any damage or what the extent was. I knew that it punctured a hole in the seat, but apparently the seat got shipped off to Jerry Seinfeld's upholsterer, and it got completely reupholstered and stitched up. So it started as a vinyl seat, now it's some fine Italian leather seat, so that's an upgrade. And yeah, the bike's all loaded up in the back of the GMC. It's got heaps of tie down points, so that made life easy. And now we can make our way to the Born Free show.